So we're at the FedEx hangar, which is there, and I don't see any FedEx planes, but we've got UPS. Their competition. Let's see if we can have a little look in. I reckon that must be finely balanced. See the prop going round there? I don't know if you call it a prop on these things, but look, it's just the wind. Well, there you go. That's it. These things obviously move. Outwards, forwards, left, right. Where's the driver sit? Oh, the driver sits up there, look at that. Well, up there actually. I think I've about seen everything. Question is windmilling apparently, just asked. Look at that. Huh. Apparently that, one of the soldier boys said, is an F-22. That's the latest state-of-the-art toy where we take the fight to them. Kick ass. Excellent one I've not looked in. So let's go. Walk this way. Built in 1945. Still going. It's incredible, isn't it? Now I can feel other people walking on this and feel the plane bouncing. People behind me somewhere. Huh. Okay, I'm going to go back into that building over there. Did I go in that one? Do you know, I'm not sure. How much of a muchness are they? How many cylinders on that thing? Nope. Oh, I came from there. Okay. Don't know what it is, but it sure is nice looking. Cylinder. Oh look, it's me. Last look around. And you think your tyres are expensive? Good Lord.